Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 8 multiply 8. Okay, so most people see this question and solve this question quickly like 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Then divide 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. So 1 divided 64 can be written as 1 by 64. But here they are making mistake because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one division, here is division, and here is multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So all have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, so 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Divide 8 multiply 8. Okay. Now 1 divided by 8 can be written as 1 upon 8 multiply 8. So now 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8 divide 8. Now 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So the correct answer is 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.